We represent a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers who are involved in collisions, and they come to us and they often have the same questions as to how the insurance coverage works. So this video is intended to be a basic Uber and Lyft insurance coverage 101. All right, so first of all, it may or may not be obvious, but if you are not logged onto the app, you don't have a passenger, you're not waiting for a passenger, and you're just driving along using your car for your own personal use, Uber or Lyft is not going to cover you at all. So I hope that doesn't come as a surprise. If, on the other hand, you are logged into the app and you are waiting for a ping and you are involved in an accident, Uber or Lyft will cover you up to $25,000 for any property damage you cause to another vehicle. They will also cover you up to $50,000 for any injuries you cause to somebody else if you were responsible for the accident. If there's more than one person who is injured due to your negligence, Uber will cover up to $100,000. So that's $50,000 per individual, up to $100,000 for the accident. Now, here's what a lot of people don't realize, which is if you are on the app, you don't have a passenger, and you're involved in an accident that was somebody else's fault, Uber and Lyft are not going to do much to protect you, meaning you don't have uninsured motorist coverage in that situation. So what that means is, this is why it's really important for your personal policy to have what's called uninsured motorist coverage. If somebody else causes an accident, and let's say they hit and run, or let's say they only have minimal coverage, you're limited to what that other insurance company has to offer you to compensate you for your injuries, because Uber's not going to kick in their uninsured motorist policy. All right, so if you, on the other hand, are with a passenger, then the game changes. Then Uber is going to cover you and your passengers up to $1 million. So that is $1 million towards anyone you might injure, $1 million towards any property damage you may cause, and also it's $1 million for you. If you are not at fault or partially not at fault and another vehicle causes an accident which results in your injury and they don't have sufficient insurance coverage or they hit and run, then you don't have to rely on your own personal uninsured motorist coverage. You have Uber or Lyft will cover you up to $1 million, and they'll cover your passengers as well. Uninsured motorist coverage and how Uber treats your passengers is going to be the subject for another video, but I hope this was helpful. If you do have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at ubercaraccidentlaw.com, and I hope you have a great day.